letterbox. He's gonna stop right in front of me, isn't he? No, he's just gonna keep walking. Come on, mate. Please. Thanks, buddy. Down the creek we go. The only camera I've brought is a GoPro today, so I hope it doesn't let me down. I charged it on its way here, so I had 100%. I went down to 60 while I was doing the drive in on the hyperlapse stuff that they have on there now. Finally starting to head down. I was getting a bit worried that the creek was in the sky. A bit of a waste. Don't know. The track seems to go uphill from here, so do I have to get on top of that? Who knows? See a way up through there. I'll give that a look. Go up the top and look down, hey? Let's see if we can see something we can't see from here. Doesn't look like there's a track through here. Looks like it's been cleared, but it doesn't look like a track to me. Maybe I wasn't supposed to come down to this creek. I've been gone 15 minutes. It's supposed to be 2.5 hours. Straight up again. Come on. those breaths in. Alright, here we go. This more looks like a wash away than a track. Hey, hey. What did I found? Did I get off the track or what? Let's see where it goes. Where does that one go, but I can't remember. Okie dokie. Wow. Incredible. Well, I'm sitting out at Bellbird here. Bellbird Lookout. Bellbird Lookout I'm sitting at. It's so quiet and peaceful up here. Obviously, you've got all the birds. But about maybe 5 k's that way is camp. And I can hear the children's voices echoing up the valley. It's quite impressive. I thought there was people following me, but it was just the sound of the people from camp going up the valley and then back up the track. So that's how peaceful it is out here. Hey everyone, just had some lunch down here at Dunphys CampGround. We're a little bit full here today, so I'm a little bit iffy about staying. It's still only early, about 1 o'clock. I think I might head either somewhere or home. I've done the walk out to the creek, but I took a left and a right somewhere, and you've seen the footage earlier, but had some lunch. That was nice. Pork and salad. It's always great. But yeah, I think I will pack up and head somewhere else. Somewhere a little less crowded, I think. So if there's a downside to Dunphys CampGround, I'd have to say that it's not really camping next to your car. I mean, if you get a spot like I have here, then yeah, you can camp outside of the boundary fence, but most of the camping area is just down the road here. So you park in there and follow the track down here, and there's a few spots down there. There's a few spots right out over the back, and if you don't mind walking away from your car to camp, then yeah, it's not a bad spot at all. You got electric barbecues, drop toilet, not electric, gas barbecues and a drop toilet. Plenty of camping tables, so good place to take everyone out for the day, I think. There's some good walks to do out here, but a little bit crowded for me. Anyway, that's Dunphys CampGround, so catch you next episode. There is one good thing about camping alone. I had a full setup then, the awning out, the swag done and everything. Probably about 5 minutes ago, I started packing up and she's done, ready to go. And that was dinner and everything I had out. So I don't think the car's even cooled down. That's how short a time I've been here. So catches.